Stop! Don't move! You won't believe what happened to Bluey tonight. A door, a glowing door, appeared in her room. Right there. Out of nowhere. What's behind it? Stay with me. Don't skip, because this is one of the most unbelievable adventures ever. Bluey's eyes went wide. She touched the door. It felt warm. Bingo! Wake up! Look! Bingo gasped. Bluey! That wasn't there before. And you? Yes, you. What do you think is behind it? Treasure? A monster? Or something even crazier? The handle turned. Creak! The door opened. Whoosh! A gust of wind blew their fur back. And beyond the doorway, a glowing forest, shimmering trees, sparkling rivers. Bluey whispered, "This is incredible." Bingo shouted, "Let's go inside." Step by step, they entered. Fireflies danced around. The ground glowed beneath their paws. And suddenly, boom! A giant tree rose up before them, its trunk covered with golden runes. Bluey gasped, "What is this?" "A map. A secret." Bingo tilted her head. "Maybe it's showing us the way." "And you? If you were there, would you follow the map? Or turn back?" They followed the glowing trail. Deeper. Deeper. Until they reached a crystal lake. The water shimmered like diamonds. Bingo leaned close. "Bluey, look! Our reflections. They're moving." Bluey's jaw dropped. "That's not us. That's another version of us." The reflections smiled back. They waved. And suddenly, they whispered, "Thank you for finding us. The magic is safe now. But you must keep dreaming. Keep believing." The lake sparkled brighter until everything faded, and the girls found themselves back in their room. The glowing door slowly vanished. Whoosh! Bluey and Bingo hugged tightly, their hearts racing. "That was amazing," Bluey whispered. "We'll never forget." Bingo giggled. "Good night, magic door. See you again. Maybe tomorrow." And now, close your eyes. Imagine the glowing forest. Imagine the lake sparkling back at you. And drift away into the most magical, most beautiful, most exciting dreams ever.